Hello everyone, welcome to this series on cultural studies, and in this video we are going to discuss Hannah Arendt. Introduction. Hannah Arendt was a political thinker renowned for her radical critique of the entire tradition of political philosophy. Arendt's unique perspective stemmed from her contention that philosophy as a contemplative discipline inherently lacks a genuine appreciation for politics. Despite being a contemplative thinker by nature, her life experiences led her to mistrust pure contemplation and political orthodoxies. Arendt's complex and multifaceted work has left an indelible mark on political thought, reflecting her deep engagement with the major political issues of her time. Early life and intellectual background. Arendt was born into a thoroughly assimilated German Jewish family. She pursued her academic studies under prominent philosophers Martin Heidegger and Karl Jaspers. In 1929, she published her doctoral dissertation Der Liebesbegriff by Augustine, the concept of love in the philosophy of Saint Augustine. This early work laid the foundation for her later intellectual endeavors, which consistently explored themes of political action, human nature, and the condition of modernity. Political engagement and exile. Arendt's only direct involvement in organized politics occurred between 1933 and 1942, when she was active in the Zionist movement. This movement led her into exile, first to Paris and then from 1941 to New York. In 1951, Arendt became an American citizen, making the beginning of a new phase in her intellectual journey. Her experiences during these turbulent years profoundly influenced her thinking and writings. Major works and contributions. The Origins of Totalitarianism. Arendt's first major work, The Origins of Totalitarianism, is a monumental study that examines the nature and origins of totalitarian regimes, specifically Nazism and Stalinism. Although criticized for its focus on the prehistory of Nazism, the book established Arendt as a significant political thinker. Her analysis highlighted the dangers of totalitarian ideologies and their impact on human freedom and dignity. The human condition. In The Human Condition, Arendt embarked on a systematic phenomenological study of the vita activa or active life. Here, she critiqued the modern subordination of politics to the ethos of labor and work. Arendt distinguished between labor, which meets basic living needs, and work, which constructs a stable world. She argued that true political wisdom lies in appreciating action or public performance as the essence of politics. This work is notable for its collaboration of the public culture of ancient Athens and its critique of modern political structures. Between Past and Future, on Revolution and Crisis of the Republic. In these works, Arendt traced reappearance of the public culture in ancient Athens in the initial fervor of modern revolutions, such as the American and French revolutions and the student movements of the 1960s. She argued that these movements of political awakening were often hijacked by political parties, leading to a loss of genuine political action and engagement. Eichmann in Jerusalem. Arendt's report on the trial of Adolf Eichmann, Eichmann in Jerusalem, a report on the banality of evil, generated significant controversy. Her depiction of Eichmann as an ordinary bureaucrat who committed heinous crimes without critical thought challenged conventional understandings of evil. The book's subtitle encapsulated her central thesis that great evils in history are often perpetuated by unthinking individuals who fail to exercise moral judgment. The Life of the Mind. Arendt's final unfinished work, The Life of the Mind, represents her turn to the vita contemplativa or contemplative life. Sparked by her observations during Eichmann's trial, Arendt sought to explore the ethical dimensions of thinking, willing, and judging. Unfortunately, she completed only first two volumes, Thinking and Willing, before her death. Conclusion: Hannah Arendt's body of work offers a profound and challenging critique of modern political life. Her insights into the nature of totalitarianism, the importance of public action, and the banality of evil continue to resonate in contemporary political thought. Arendt's unique perspective, shaped by her experiences and intellectual background, provides a vital contribution to our understanding of politics, human nature, and the ethical responsibilities of individuals within society. So this was the discussion on Hannah Arendt. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other topic. Until then, goodbye and thank you.